In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this banging look for the holidays, okay? And this was like super affordable. So I'm going to use my Fit Me foundation from Dollar General, $6. And I'm going to use all of these other goodies that were $1 a piece. So stay tuned so you can see how I got this look. So I'm going to start with the brows. I'm going to put some powder on them so that they're not shiny. Then I'm going to go under them with my Mary Kay concealer, and then I'm going to blend that out. Then I'm going to brush my brow hairs and start filling them in by doing a line at the bottom and the top and just filling it in. So I filmed this look originally for like the Christmas holidays and like the New Year holidays, but I thought this would be a great natural look for Valentine's Day. Everybody doesn't want, you know, the purple, the pinks, the red eyeshadows for Valentine's Day. Some people just want a nice, you know, neutral look. So that's what this is going to be. We have the light shade at the brow bone, that shade in the crease, and then I'm going to put the glittery shades on the lid. Nice and simple, neutral, natural. It's gonna highlight the eyes really well. It's nothing too over the top, but it is very holiday appropriate. We love the sparkle and the glitter and the shimmer for the holiday time, and this would be great if you're going to like a classy restaurant for Valentine's Day and you don't want to do anything too over the top, you don't want to be too extra. So this would be the perfect look for that. Now I do have a pink, purple, and blue look coming. If you want to just, you know, kill it for Valentine's Day, you want to do the most, trust me, I like the neutral and natural, and I like the over the top, so I'm with it. So I have that video coming soon for you all, so keep a lookout for that one as well. So I highlighted my brow bone. I went in the crease with that kind of deep burgundy shade, and now I am cutting the crease with some more of that Mary Kay concealer, and right on top of that concealer I am packing in both of the glitters. I have the more bronzy shade here, and then I'm going to put the lighter shimmer in the inner corner. And if you want to see how I applied this glueless wig, make sure you check that video out. And as you can see, that was simple, easy, but it looks like I did a lot. So this is the Fit Me foundation in $3.55, and it was only $6, which was awesome. As you all may know if you watch my videos, I love, love, love my Mary Kay foundation. It gives me an awesome finish. It lasts a long time. I just love it so much. But my Mary Kay foundation is $20. So in between my, you know, looks where I really need something to last, like if I'm just going to work or, you know, going to the store or something like that, this Fit Me is great. The coverage is awesome. It dries matte, which I love. It's just an awesome product to only be $6. Now I'm going to use my gel eyeliner. And I'm going to do a little wing, not a big wing. Y'all know I can go big on the wings. So I added some mascara. Now I'm going to add these lashes. And make sure y'all check out my website and go ahead and order some of my 3D mink lashes. I am in love with them and I know you guys are going to like them, so go ahead and order. And this is the style Assertive. Now I'm going in with that Mary Kay concealer and I'm going to highlight my face. And this is like my favorite concealer. I am currently running out of this again, so I have to get some more. The last time I ran out and tried other stuff, it just wasn't doing what I needed it to do. And this is the brush set that my husband got me from Walmart. And I am using that to kind of, you know, get up under the eye really good. I do have a BH Cosmetic brush set that I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm going to do my whole face using just that brush set, so I'm really excited about that. Now I'm just going to set it. And you can pretty much use any setting powder. In this video, of course, I'm using my Mary Kay setting powder. But I did find a setting powder at the beauty supply store that at first I didn't really like it because I was using it to bake with. And now I like it more. It could be because the seasons have changed or something, I don't really know, but I am liking it more now as a setting powder, so I'll make sure that I show you all that in a video. I use the beige pressed powder on top of my highlight and the bronze number 2 pressed powder on the rest of my face. Here I am going in with the bronzing powder. And if you guys are not subscribed to me on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you comment. Let me know what kind of videos you all want to see. This is the blush that I got from the Dollar Tree. Very beautiful. Very, very pigmented. You have to use a teeny bit of this. But make sure you guys let me know what y'all want to see. I'm here doing this for you all. I'm contouring with that little contour palette that I got from the beauty supply store. It was like $1.99. I use it in almost all of my videos. So like I said, this look was very, very affordable. Usually you can find, you know, eyeshadows and stuff for $1, but this $6 foundation worked a lot better than I thought I would. I saw a lot of people, you know, raving about it, talking about it, making YouTube videos about it, but I was like, I'm not really gonna, you know, try that. I am in love with my Mary Kay. But when I tried it, I was like, okay, I can use this sometimes and, you know, save my Mary Kay for special occasions. So I'm loving it. So that's the mascara that I got, and this is the liquid lipstick that I picked up, and this liquid lipstick is everything. These are the only 2 colors that they had, and they had the gloss that I like to put on top. I'm not really a fan of the matte finish. I like the way that it applies, but I always apply like a gloss on top. And I am in love with like the ombre lip at the moment, so I just line my lips and then I'm going to put the pink on the inside. Then after it mattes down, I'm just going to put that gloss on top. And I wore this look pretty much the whole month of December. For every look that I did, I paired this lip with it and I loved it. So I'm just gonna use my setting spray, and this is the look. So I hope you all enjoyed the look. I used the Fit Me from Dollar General. It was $6. I used these LA Girl lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, and they were $1. I used this mascara, which I didn't really care for that much. The one, I'm not really a fan of that, but it was $1, so I will figure out a way to use it. This was $1 from the Dollar Tree, and this was $1 from Dollar General. So as you see, you can get a great lip, a great eyeshadow look using some products on a serious budget. So I hope this all helps you this holidays while you are beating those faces for Christmas and to spend time with your family. It's okay to use $1 eyeshadow, okay? It gets the job done, and I just showed you that. All right, so have a blessed time, a blessed rest of the week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So this is the look. This is great for Valentine's Day, great for date night. I really hope you all enjoyed this look. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.